Once written off as another wasted talent, Sipho Mbule has turned his career around in spectacular fashion, and his agent Mike McCarp believes the Orlando Pirates midfielder is only getting started. Since joining the Soweto Giant, Mbole has blossomed into a key figure in the heart of the Buccaneers midfield, combining flair and discipline, a far cry from the off-field controversies that once threatened to derail his career. His consistent performances have not only earned him a regular starting, but also caught the attention of Bafana Bafana coach Hugo Brass, who recalled him for the national team's successful World Cup qualification campaign. Speaking to Soccer Laduma, Markup opened up about the driving force behind Mbule's resurgence and said, I think there comes a time in everybody's life where you realize you need to do something with that talent God has given you. Sipho understands that no matter how gifted you are, if you don't put in the hard work and remain committed, you'll never reach your full potential. The 26-year-old midfielder enjoyed a rocky spell at Mamelodi Sundowns, where reports of poor discipline overshadowed his natural ability. But Makap believes Mbule's move to Pirates provided the perfect platform for redemption, and said that the fact that Orlando Pirates showed interest and finalized a deal for him gave him the chance to show who he really is. We've always emphasized consistency. It's easy to perform well for 2 or 3 months, but to build a greater career, you need to apply yourself every single day. And Sipho now understands that. Beyond his mental shift, Mbule's physical transformation has also been evident, and that if you look at his weight and overall conditioning, I don't think I've seen him in this kind of shape for a long time. We are both very excited about what lies ahead for him. Mbule's revival has not gone unnoticed. Bra's decision to include him in the final rounds of World Cup qualifiers was a clear sign of faith in his abilities. With Temba Zwane battling injuries, Mbule is widely tipped as the long-term successor to the Mamelodi Sundowns keeper. Should he maintain his current form, the dynamic playmaker is expected to play a crucial role for the club and country, featuring prominently at the upcoming Africa Cup of Nations and next year's World Cup. From bad boy headlines to becoming one of South Africa's most consistent midfielders, Sipho Mbule's story is one of redemption, resilience, and rediscovered purpose. A reminder that talent, when meshed with discipline, can indeed rewrite any narrative. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.